Operatives of the Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service averted a fire outbreak at a section of a plastic company, the Mega Plastics Industries, located in the Ilupeju area of Lagos. This was disclosed in a press statement signed by the Director, Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service, Adesheye Margaret, on Saturday, 21st September 2023. According to the statement, the emergency alert was received at 7:26 a.m. on Saturday, stating that operatives of the service from Bolade and Alausa fire station swiftly took control of the situation. She added that there were no casualties and no one sustained injury from the outbreak.
On getting here, we were not able to get the access to the main building where the fire was raging. We were looking for means of getting to the seat of fire. It took a longer time before we can get, due to the fact that all the building, all the doors, all the entrance were being under lock. However, the firefighting commenced and we've been on top of the situation. We were able to prevent the fire from spreading to the adjacent building where they have their machine and where they have their storage. Right now, situation under control, no injuries, no deaths.
The quick response of the Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service reduced the level of fire after destroying buildings as well as raw materials within the company. However, the storage and factory sections of the petrochemical company were badly affected, while the cause of the fire outbreak is unknown.